Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with power and access. Charge the watch to at least 50% and turn on your phone's Bluetooth so pairing can proceed without drops. Once done, install Xiaomi Wear or ZepLife and sign in with a My account. This creates the link needed for cloud sync. Make sure you allow location and Bluetooth permissions, otherwise scanning won't find the device. Now open the app and choose Add Device. You're ready to start the automatic scan. You'll see a list of devices. Pick your exact watch model to avoid mismatches. Then confirm the pairing code that appears on both the watch and phone. This prevents accidental connections. After pairing, the app asks for notifications, contact access, and background location, so steps like call alerts and weather updates work. Grant them. Finally, make sure the app can run in background and disable battery optimization for that app, because otherwise, syncs and alerts may stop unexpectedly. Once paired, sync the watch to pull time, health history, and available watch faces. Check for firmware update and install it for best stability. Then configure notifications, do not disturb, and which apps can push alerts. This controls interruptions and battery use. If something goes wrong, try toggling Bluetooth, force closing and clearing the app cache, then restart both devices. These steps resolve most connection issues. If still stuck, unpair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.